Lil Money.
Produced by JC.
Party on my yacht, party on my yacht, party on my yacht, there's a party on my yacht, party on my yacht, party on my yacht, party on my yacht, there's a party on my yacht, party on my yacht, and you're welcome. Let's go over there, let's go hold them. And they telling us what to do. We gonna steal your girl and bring her on this cruise. We gon' drive around to the town. And you know your boyfriend goofy, you know he a clown. And everyone tryna live a life, tryna be rap stars, tryna fly a kite. And you know what we gon' do, we gon' fight. They run up on us, they gon' shoot us till we die. They tryna shoot us in the back and in the eye. And you know we gon' look up at night. One day we gon' be all the way dead. And I sleep with your girl in bed. And you know she love it, that's what she said. And it's too bad for you, cause it's not my idea. I do this every time and I do it cause I'm real. I don't even know what you're talking about. I didn't do nothing, I fuck your girl on the couch. Party on my yacht, party on my yacht, party on my yacht, there's a party on my yacht, party on my yacht, party on my yacht, party on my yacht, there's a party on my yacht, party on my yacht, and you're welcome. Let's go over there, let's go hold them. And he has no idea, I don't know what to do no more. But you know I ain't no farmer, so I'm not got a bucket of corn.